Alright, so this is another Airbus A350 here, right? And you can see there the 747 heading this way as well, right? 47 Boeing 747 and Airbus A350, and you can see Korean Air Boeing 747 over there too, right? So you see, look this, 4 Boeing 747, right? 3 over there, 1 over here, and this is the Airbus A350, right? Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, beautiful. As in it, yeah. Is this the cargo plane? They do have passenger planes, you know, flying to the United States, of course, with Boeing 747. Alright, so 7 A350 here, Airbus A350. Airbus A350 here. And look at that, Boeing 747 coming this way. Alright, so see over here, Korean Air, Boeing 777. I'm not sure if it's a cargo plane, but it's here now. Korean Air, Boeing 777. Right, let's go back here. Look at the side of that plane. Look, there's a plane taking off, but look at the side. Oh my god, like very, very little, right? Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, so we're in the spot here. The Asiana Air A3 Boeing 747 cargo planes. Alright, look at that. 3 of them, 2 in the background and 1 here. Amazing, right? And the A350, I think it's taking off right now. It's passing to runway to take off, I think. Alright. Alright, so let's see this one. And look at the 747 now in line. Is it Dreamliner or 777? Let me see. I should be able to tell in a moment. Let's go back to this Queen in the sky for a moment. Look at that. I got 3 Boeing 747 in one spot, in one frame. And this guy, Airbus A330, is now being pushed back, doing the pushback right now. I think they're heading to Beijing from Seoul International Airport here. Look at that. You see? Alright, so this is Boeing 777, alright. And look at the Asiana Boeing 747 over there. Look at that. So I have here Airbus A330, Boeing 747, Boeing 747, Boeing 472 in the background, and Boeing 777 here with Korean Air in one frame, right? Look at that. Let me do this in one frame. Got all this plane in one frame. Are you serious? Right? Yep. Look at it. Look at this plane. I think it's taking off. It's taking off right now. Look at the size compared to Boeing 777 and the 747. Oh my God. All right. Let's go back to focus on the Boeing 747. Two more in the background, right? One, two, and this guy here in the main frame. Wow. So let's zoom out a little bit, you can see. It's moving now. Alright everybody, hope you all have a good day now.